Hello and welcome. My name is Shyla Taylor. Today's video is about 5 minutes long and will show you how to create animations, interactions, and transitions in a PowerPoint presentation. I will be using a Windows 10 machine and the Office 365 version of PowerPoint. If you're using a different operating system or a different version of PowerPoint, your screens may look a little bit different. Let's get started. Today, we're going to start with a prepared PowerPoint slide deck. Our first slide tells the user to select an image to see some magic. This is where we come in. First, you're going to right-click on your star and then choose the option to link. We're going to choose Place in this document and Slide 2. You see our preview shows you a preview of the star slide that we're linking to. Then click OK. We're going to repeat these actions with our square. At this time, we're going to link to slide 3, where our squares are, and then click OK. We've created our first interactions within PowerPoint. Remember these steps. We're going to use them again on our final slide. Now, let's create some fun animations. Go to slide 2, select the first star, and click the Animations tab at the top. If you click on this drop-down, you will see that there are several animations to choose from. I'm going to select an entrance for this star. This will hide the star until it's ready to make its entrance when the user clicks on the screen. I'm going to choose Split, and it shows you a preview of the animation for the object once I've selected it. For the second star, I'm going to choose one from this Emphasis option. This will let the star be shown the whole time, but perform an animation to draw your attention to the star on the click. I'm going to have it spin. For the third star, I'm going to choose an Exit animation. This will let the star start on the screen, but go away upon a click. I'm going to choose Wheel. So, if I want to preview how all of this is going to look together with the 3 clicks, I can simply click on the Preview button in the top left. So, let's go to slide 3 and take our animations up a notch. So for each of these boxes, I'm going to select them and then choose the option to fly in. You'll note that as I do it, they're numbered by PowerPoint 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's the number of the animation order. So right now they're all just flying in from the bottom, but that's kind of boring. So I'm going to select this Effects options, and I'm going to choose to have them fly in from each corner of the screen, just to zhuzh it up a little. So here's option 3. It's going to be from the bottom left, and option 4 is going to be from the bottom right. Now if I preview this, I see 1, 2, 3, 4. They come in from the corners, and it's just a little more fun. So right now, these start only when the button is clicked. What I want to do is I want to change the start order so they trigger as soon as the slide is opened. What I'm going to do that is I'm going to click on my first animation and come up to the start, and I'm going to change doing it from on click to after previous, where the previous action is opening this slide. I'm going to do that for each one so they automatically open in order 1, 2, 3, and 4, one right after the other. Once I have these set, I'm going to preview it again just to make sure it looks like I want. Finally, let's talk about setting a transition. This is probably the easiest step in the whole process. Let's go ahead and navigate to the last slide in our presentation and click the Transitions tab up at the top. If you click on the drop-down, you'll note that there are several different options for doing a transition. You'll see that if we click on one of our transitions, just like with our animations, it shows us a preview of what it looks like to go to this screen. That's what our transition is going to look like. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the peel off transition to this slide. A note when using transitions, you want to use them to enhance your presentation, not take it over. So use them sparingly. You don't want to give anybody motion sickness. Final thing that we want to do is right-click on our house and link this so it goes back to our first slide. We can either choose the option to first slide, or we can choose it based upon the slide title. Either way gives us a preview to the right. Once we click OK, We're done. Now you know how to create interactions, animations, and transitions in a PowerPoint presentation.